Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on exploring on the ERCOT's most popular natural wonders, the stunning Killier waterfalls. This spot is paradise for nature lovers, offering perfect combinations of adventure and tranquility. From parking area, we'll trek through the lush greenery, descend steep paths, and finally witness the breathtaking cascade of water that makes this place so special. So buckle up and join me on this incredible journey. For if you're coming in two-wheeler vehicles, the parking is at the entrance, so you need to trek from there itself. In case if you're coming from four-wheelers, there's parking at the further ahead. So you can park your vehicles here for the small fees, and it's safe for both two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers. And before we begin the trek, let's talk about few essential you need to carry. You make sure that you have a steady footwear as the trail involves descending steep and uneven steps. Carry water and a snack if needed. A camera to capture the beauty of this place. And if you're coming with your old age parents or grandparents, in case they're not able to walk, they will provide a jeep ride, so you can opt for that. And there are some local vendors selling the fruits and water, so you can uh, buy from them.
ஈஸியாக இருக்குதா
ஏறுறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்.
ஆ பாருங்க மூச்சா
எனக்கே தலை சுத்திடுச்சு.
அவங்களுக்கே கஷ்டம்
The trek to Killier Waterfalls is an experience in itself. The trail winds through dense forest and path is a mix of man-made steps and natural rocky terrain. The descent is fairly straightforward but requires caution, especially during the monsoon season, when the steps can get slippery. Along the way, you are surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds and occasional rustle of leaves. If you are a nature enthusiast, you will love the flora and fauna you encounter here. The air feels fresh and cool, a welcome change from the hustle of a daily life. These steps are almost 250 to 300 steps are there, so you can check out the steepness of the steps uh, before visiting here. Although the trek, you'll notice the forest getting denser and sound of water starts to get louder. It's a signal that we are getting closer to the falls. Take a moment here to enjoy the surroundings. The sunlight filtering through the trees and the serene ambience is simply magical. But remember, the journey is beautiful as the destination. So take it slow and enjoy every step.
नहीं वो जीप जा सकते हैं bro. The people who can't walk right, they can go in jeep here.
देखा मैंने वही यहाँ सामने तू भी उसी को देख के आया
नहीं यहाँ से अलग ही दिख रहा है इसलिए.
And here we are, Kelliur Waterfalls. This waterfall is on the Periyur River in the Shervarayan Hill Range in the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu in India. The waters overflowing the Erkard Lake falls 91 meters, that is 300 feet, into the Kelliur Valley. You can witness at its full glory during the monsoon season. The water cascades down from the height of about 300 feet, creating a misty, magical atmosphere. This waterfall is fed by the overflow of Erkard Lake and other small streams in the region. The force and volume of water vary depending on the seasons, but it's always sight to behold. Pool at the base of the waterfall adds to its charm, making it perfect spot to relax and connect with nature. And the best time to visit these clear waterfalls is June to October, during that monsoon season. Let's move a little closer to the falls so that you can feel the cool mist on your face, and the sound of the rushing water is almost therapeutic. Some visitors like to dip their feet in the pool while others just sit back and enjoy the view. The rocky area around the falls is slippery, so be cautious if you plan to explore up close. Whether you are here, click photos, meditate, or simply take into the nature's beauty, this place has something for everyone. After spending some quality time here, it's time to head back. Remember, the trek up can be a bit more challenging than the descent, so take breaks if needed. On the way back, don't forget to take one last look at the dense forest and soak in nature's beauty.
It was amazing, guys.
Visiting Killiur Waterfalls is more than just a trek, it's an experience that rejuvenates your mind and soul. If you are visiting Erkard, make sure this is on your list. That's it guys for today's adventure. Killiur Waterfalls is truly a gem of Erkard and I hope you enjoyed exploring it with me. Let me know in the comments if you have been here or if this video inspired you to plan a trip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel contents. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. Bye bye.